Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you add passkeys for your Bitget account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Bitget application at very first, and after opening the Bitget you will get to see this icon into the top left corner. Simply tap there and open your profile, and from here you will get to see this option of security. Simply select security and you will get to see this passkey option at second. Just simply choose passkey and after that tap to add passkey. Then select any of the passkeys such as just simple passkey or USB passkey. I'm selecting passkey for now and tap to confirm button. Then after completing this much of the process, you just simply have to enter your fund code at very first and email a verification code that you got into your email into second and Google Authenticator code into last one. Let me do this one real quick. And now you just simply have to tap to confirm, and after this you can easily set a passkey that you have into your phone for your Bitget account. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.